Umatake. Nag-dive. Sa gilid. Arong atake. Pinabitin pa siya. Gandang disnon sa connection. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Region 1 Athletic Association para sa laban ng Alaminos City versus San Carlos City. Inigo Team Alaminos. Number 8, stop for 3, no good. It's Team San Carlos off the glass, basket is good. And it's Team San Carlos setting the play. Sa 3, number 24, won't go, battle for rebound. Nakukuha na. Team Alaminos. And here's number 5. Sa 3. Bam! 3 points! Number 8. Nice pass. The D set the finish. And here's number 8. Dribbling the ball, setting the play.
Ready to shoot!
Sa gilid. Arong attacking the rim. Pinabitin. Pass. Yes, Number 1, pass to number 71. Diretso, binado sa loob. Number 21, inaayos yung sapatos. For the inbound.
Ready to shoot.
Wide open for 3 and launch. Too strong.
Ready to shoot.
Number 18, for 3. Bang! Off the wing. Cross pass. Number 28.
Ready to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5.
1 second, lays up and basket for 2. Oh, natawa. 2 points. And now, down to 3 ang kalamangan ng Team San Carlos City. Boom! Basket. And his team, Alaminos City, number 28, Arong, attacking the rim. Pati yung gandang disnon, the connection.
40 seconds.
40 seconds left.
14 to shoot.
14 seconds shoot. At the middle, number 25, holding the ball.
Ready to shoot.
Maagawan. Pass break ngayon. Bounce pass to number 71. Easy basket. First quarter. So, 16.4 on the game clock. Setting the play. Kumakaway si Alio. Sumitin niya. Crossover. Number 1. Maagawan dito. And all alone. Inabot.
1.8.
For the inbound. Pass to number 5. Oh, that's 1.8 connects to 2 points. And that's the end. Tackle that to number 25. Umatake. Oop, nag-dive.
Seconds.
Makakagawa bola. Number 71, side step to number 6. Fires, basket
For
goal.
number 6.
Number 25. Number 25. Lays up. Too short. And Miss Team San Carlos City. Diretso, butata. Pass break and all alone. Lays up, easy basket. Number 8. Number 26 for 3. Bang!
Reverse for
And it's Team Alaminos City.
and to shoot.
Defense shoot. Lays up. Ooh, in and out. Rebound number 5. Fake. 5. Basket shoot. At the rin pinabili pa ni Aaron. Basket
Number
shoot.
28.
Tuloy-tuloy pa. Basket shoot. 1 minute 50 seconds.
When to shoot.
Pinasang gandang pasa na net up finish. 21.
55 seconds.
Oop, lays up. No good. Pull up Jay. Oh, too strong.
50 seconds.
And number
40
5.
seconds.
Cross pass.
When to shoot.
Nalusot. Floater. No good.
14 to shoot.
14 seconds.
30 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5. Third personal foul.
Big. Reverse layup.
Basket.
Basket is good. Seconds left.
15 seconds.
Oh, 15 seconds.
10.
Lays up and easy
Basket.
basket.
5.
And nakabawi ka agad mga idol. And that's the end. And it's number 6. Attacking the basket. Lays up. Sinaw-saw. And number 8 is here. In the 8. Number 8 again. Binig. Oy! But there's a whistle. And number 26 to number 29. 14 San Carlos City. Launch a 3. Bang!
Number
Number 8 is there. Pass to number 17. Iniwan, lays up, and easy
basket
basket.
for number 17.
And there you go, side step. To number 26 again, fake. Behind the back dribble.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Fake. Tumalaksak, tumiray. Basket is
Number
good.
71.
And Sinata. Side step, pumunta sa may korta. Basket and 1. Good, basket, basket. Oh, pass break. Oh, naagaw. And basket is good. Bounce pass, lays out.
Basket.
And again, basket for two. Long pass, oh, number 6. Launch 2 balls, wala. Sa gilid, sa 3, wala. Oh, bang! That's good for 3. Lays up, basket and 2. That's 2 points. Babawi, lays up, salitan na ng score. Babawi sa 3 din. Bang!
3
Bullseye!
points for
Number 26 again. Easy basket.
for number 10.
Arong. Bounce pass. Fires off the glass. And that's good for Duke.
1 minute 25.
Oy!
Clear.
Sa 3. No good. Number 9.
1 minute 5 seconds.
Launch a 3. Bang! And setting the 3. Hey. Floater. Basket
Basket.
2. Tumira. Wala. Put back sa atin.
Basket for number 6.
Exacto yung bola oh. 21 6, number 26. Number 71, cross pass. Manila, number 6, dribble.
Time to shoot.
Fires, no good. Patres, bam! Long pass. Nakukuha na po. Oh, libre, libre! And ties the game! Makakatikan. Number 21, diretso. Wow! Game favor. Good na agaw. 6. Oh, sumakay. Yung last throw, pumasok yung first free throw, wala. Number 28, diretso tumira. For the inbound. Libre. Pinakboard pa. Oh! Lutakap. Oh, libre.
Last 2 minutes.
Big, Katage. Pinata, protest.
Number 29.
Number 8, at the middle.
Time to shoot. 5.
Sa 3. Bang! Bolt up! And that's the end of the game. Congratulations!